Tapos ko lang maligo. So today is May 9. We're going to the game. Prepare kasi ako. So ang dami kong dala lahat yan mga snacks namin kasi lagi kaming whole day doon, tapos tsaka pang laro. Pero yung laro ngayon maaga kasi 1, 2 or 1 ang laro. Tapos and then may dala ko nito, jacket, tsaka kumot, tapos bag. May dala ko. Let's go na my love! Let's go. Yeah, I'm ready. Ready na.
Tickets.
Ano yung dala-dala ko? Fully loaded. Ayan pa. Sige game, maagang ngayon, laro today. Fresh. Okay. Bagong ligo yan. Sarap ng araw. Malamig. Ang lamig pa din sa labas, ah? Malamig, ah.
Chinese.
The girl in the front of the door couldn't let me in, and then she just kept talking and she's Spanish, and I said I don't understand you.
To you?
Yeah.
She couldn't understand you?
I couldn't understand her because she's speaking Spanish.
The heavyset lady? Or the maid?
The lady that did you see that there's a lady coming inside, the little lady?
Oh, I don't know. The lady that speaks, the lady that runs it, the manager, she's Hawaiian. She don't speak Spanish.
No, it's a girl that I don't know if she doesn't understand me and I don't understand her. It looks like she's
Is she working behind the desk?
no, she's the same with us. She's have the key.
Oh.
She might be forget her room.
Oh.
All her stuff is in the front of the door.
She might be a maid.
I don't know. If she's a maid, I don't know.
Usually maids have a master key, can get into any room.
And she kept saying something and I said, I don't understand you. And then when she realized, she said, sorry, only one word. I understand what all the words that she's telling me or saying me. She said that the last word, sorry. That's all I understand. Then she said, Spanish. No, I'm not Spanish. She speaking Spanish. Laro na naman tayo today. Ay, doon, kakapasok lang nila. Mahabang pila. Papasok pa lang ako. And nagpaiwan ako dito kasi ang tagal pa ng start ng laro. Pero gusto niya na agad pumasok sa loob. Kumauna na siya. Kakapasok lang nila, nakikita ko. So, we're already here in Everett again for... It's already 4 days of playing. I'm watching now for baseball game. Ang 4 days na namin. Ayos mukha muna tayo bago tayo papasok. So pagpasok wala nang pila. Papasok na ako sa loob, Zay. Ang init na dito. Ay, may... Saan pala yung key? Andito pala. Kinabahan, Zay. Hindi pa malalak to. I'm at the game now. It's 4th day watching the game here in Everett, Washington. We're here. Dami yung tao dito ay sa kahapon. No? Maaga pa naman. So, later maybe.
Working together as the voice of the electrical construction industry.
And on the mound, Ryan Hawks, your Everett Aquasauce. And now fans, please rise if you're able and remove your hats for the singing of the Star Spangled Banner. Please welcome Hawthorne Elementary and Choir Director Janine Solak. And now fans, with the important words that are most important of all of baseball. We are underway.
Let's go!
Home run!
Here's Johnny.
Run! Woo! Labas yung ball. Yee! Home run! Woo! God score!
First baseman Brandon Ike.
2. We got to score for 1 innings pa lang.
Jenna, Miley, Alice, Gage, they've got t-shirts. Make some noise if you want a shirt. We can't hear you.
What's up, Webley?
Hello, Webley!
Thank you, Steve.
Friend is here. Hello, my friend. Sasayaw na naman yan siya. Magdadance kami later.
Final score as the scoreboard totals are correct.
They won.
You were off with some.
It's done.
Ready to
Natulog lang
go?
naman ako dahil sa laro. Ayan. So, dito kami. Oh.
You got my wallet, right?
Yeah.
Right.
Sa ito. Gusto ko dyan kumain kasi may rice. Sa kanya pizza, sa akin ganyan. May lunch para kami na jusawa. Cheers. So, ito yung kanain namin noong isang araw din dito. Gusto kami kumain, busog na. Saan tayo punta? Pizza!
Are you coming in or are you staying out here?
Are you gonna eat inside?
I'm gonna try to.
Oh, I'm full. I'm gonna stay here.
Okay. They might not even have it. It might be only lunchtime, and
Yeah.
for all I know, it might be past lunchtime.
Yeah. Let's see. Heritage Bank. It reminds me the Heritage Museum flying. Pizza ni Disawa din na natuloy. Kasi ang alas 3 lang pizza, alas 5 na. So, gagala na lang kami going to the park. Another park na naman to. Kasi maaga pa eh. Ang laro kasi kanina 1. Tapos natapos kami quarter 4. O 4. Mga ganun.
We say it was Friday? It is Friday.
Yeah, it's Friday today. Then, hanap na lang kami ng pwedeng paggalaan muna bago uwi. Kasi maaga pa. Tikas mo na. Mga akong driver. Sweet lover. This tissue. With your sandwich. For the gala-gala na naman kami. Road trip, 40 minutes. We have 36 minutes left.
Hillsboro, and then from Hillsboro to Kennewick.
Just remember that it's a listener just like you that made it happen with a gift. So every gift, no matter the size.
Look out, we're getting close to the water.
Yeah. We're here. Ano lang siya, yung may dalawang chair, tapos yun yung makikita mo, yung lake. May mga flowers
How's
dito.
that? Pretty, huh?
Yeah. And then may mga flowers din dun. Gusto ko yan. Ayan.
There's one of the ferries.
Yung mga bundok-bundok. Ayan yung view. There's a ferry. Lamig. Flower.
Huh?
Sure.
I'm gonna take pictures.
There.
Where do you want me? I'm covering the thing.
1, 2. One more. 1, 2.
Good?
1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Because then yung flower
Pretty
na baka.
flowers.
Tapos kalsada na. Oh, yan yung car. Ito na. Nandito na kami. Ang ganda. Za!
Oh, you can smell that. Smell the flower. It's a bird.
Ah!
I got a
You got-
bird flying by. Oh,
You got the bird. No break. Tapos na kami magmuni-muni, pabalik na kami ng hotel. Malamig pa rin sa labas kasi mabreezy. Kaya nag-jacket ako ulit. Tapos bukas yung window namin. Drive like money.
did you tell Jelka about the guy we met and him having a home over at that place?
No, yeah. I didn't talk to
You should let her know.
the last time we talked, that was we were at home. This is cool.
You never get some pictures of it. Look at this beautiful area. Back in the canopy. Bless you. You got allergies?
I like flower, but when I smell flower, it's that's what the hard for springtime when flowers make you sneezing.